Let's be honest, we all have a phone and it is possible to make $100 and more per day with it if you know what to do. So in this video, I will show you 10 different side hustles that you can do from your phone to make money online, and we'll be ranking each side hustle based on how hard it is to get started and their earning potential. The first side hustle is running faceless YouTube channels. Now you might be wondering, how are we gonna do this whole process of running a YouTube channel just with a phone? First, you find a faceless YouTube channel niche. If you can't find a niche and need help, you can watch this video here. In that video, I show you the top 10 faceless YouTube niches. To create videos, you need to write scripts. One way to do that is by using the free Google Docs app. After that, you need a voiceover, and you can do this by using the voice recording app on your phone and basically using your phone's microphone. Then, you also need some visuals for your videos, right? You can use websites like pexels.com, pexabyte.com, or mixit.co to find copyright-free stock footage. Now, editing. For the editing, you can use the CapCut video editing app, which is completely free. This was the production part. The monetization part is when you get monetized on YouTube and when YouTube starts putting ads on your videos and you get paid every time someone watches your videos and sees these ads. Not only that, you will also be earning money with sponsorships, with affiliate marketing. If you have an online course, you can promote that for free, or if you sell products, again, you can promote these for free. And if you're watching this video, you probably know that you can make millions of dollars from YouTube, and YouTube is a very lucrative business model. The second side hustle is online courses. If you have expertise or skills in any subject, you can easily record videos using your phone and upload these videos on websites like udemy.com. This platform enables you to sell your video content as a course. Now, when you use Udemy, they will promote your course for you, meaning that you will have organic traffic to your course from their website. So you don't have to go out there and do marketing and make videos about your course on YouTube and try to sell it. Now, if you want, after a point, you can invest some money to buying a laptop. So you can go and sell your course on Kajabi, because on Udemy, you do have to split 50-50 of everything you make. Yeah, it's not the best deal, I know. But if you just have a phone right now and that's the only way to make money, then it's certainly a way to start. And here's a tip from me to you. When you put your course on Kajabi, then you can use a payment processor like Digital24 and get tons of affiliates to promote your course for you. The third side hustle is doing app tutorials. Now, as you know, all phones have a screen recording option. And if they don't, and if yours don't, you can just use a free screen recording app from App Store or Google Play. Then you can simply record your screen showing how to use different apps. Then you can upload these videos on YouTube and make money from them via ad revenue. This YouTube channel here called Psychitech has over 1 million subscribers and gets 2.6 million views per month, meaning that they could be making over $10,000 per month, and all they do is show how to use different apps on Samsung phones. The fourth side hustle is Etsy. Now, on Etsy, most people sell DIY, handmade products, jewelry, and apparel. However, this is not the only way to make money from Etsy. You can also use artificial intelligence to make money from Etsy. The first thing you need is to download the Etsy sellers app onto your phone, and then you simply make a listing just like this one right here. Now, this listing here says that they turn people's photos into paintings, and doing this, like turning people's photos into paintings, is quite easy. There are tons of AI software out there that does that for you. For example, Midjourney is one of them. Now, if we take a look at this Etsy store, we can see that they got over 50,000 sales. Their selling price is $26, and even if we only say that their profit from one sale is $10, this makes over $500,000 just by doing this. The fifth side hustle is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing, in my opinion, is a great way to make money if you don't want to create your own product. Yes, you do split the money with someone else, but you don't need to create a product. They already did for you. You just sell an already existing one. To do this, you go to websites on your phone's browser like digistore24.com, clickback.com, or Amazon Associates, and you go to the marketplace section. You'll see that there are tons of products to promote. But how does Digistore24 work? You go to their website and create an account. You can also use the Digistore24 app. Then you go to their affiliate marketplace section and find a product that you would like to promote. Personally, I would recommend selling products that pay out $100 to $20 at least per sale. Then you simply click the promote now button, and they will give you a special link that you can copy and paste and promote as much as you possibly can to get sales and make money. But as you can see, there is a link below the affiliate marketplace listing. Here they include affiliate assets like ads and webinars that you can use. But how are we going to promote these links? Well, you have YouTube, which is my favorite way to promote affiliate links and the method that I personally use. I mean, once you upload a video on YouTube, that video can get views after weeks, months, or even years. Like, these videos stay on the platform for a very long time and they still can get views. It's not like TikTok or Instagram. But again, YouTube is not the only way. You can also use TikTok and Instagram, or Facebook and emails. It's important to promote only products that you would personally use or that you think is a good quality. Avoid promoting products just to make some quick money or just offer high commissions. The goal should be to sell people products that they will actually enjoy and benefit from, as this can help establish a long-term relationship with these customers so you can sell them something later in the future again. The sixth side hustle is Google Opinion Rewards. I know, when I hear the making money with service, I immediately think of scammy websites too. However, one of the biggest companies in the world, Google, which owns the website that I'm talking to you right now, YouTube, I don't think they will scam people with service. They also have a mobile app called Google Opinion Rewards, where you sign up and simply answer questions. And then Google will pay you a little bit of money every time you finish a survey. Now, obviously, don't expect to make thousands by just doing surveys, but still, you can make a little bit of money on the side, like doing this. But how does this work? You download the app onto your phone, and then Google will send you surveys around once per week, and they will ask you some random questions so they can collect data and, to make their companies even more profitable, they just collect data. And Google will pay you up to $1 for each survey you finish. The seventh side hustle is restaurant delivery. For this, you can download the DoorDash app onto your phone and sign up to become a delivery driver. Something to note here is that you need a car for this. How this works is that you make a base amount of money for each order that you complete, but when you get tips, you can keep 100% of them. Like, you can keep the whole tip. The tip is for you. Now, if you live in the United States or Canada, you can choose the option to get paid daily. And if you live outside these places, you can check if DoorDash is available in the place where you live. But if not, don't worry, probably there's an equivalent service near you, like Uber Eats or Postmates. For example, here where I live in Greece, we have eFood. I'm pretty sure there's an equivalent delivery service near you too. The eighth side hustle is Instacart. Now, Instacart is just like those other delivery services we mentioned in the previous side hustle, but now instead of delivering food from restaurants, you are delivering groceries. The ninth side hustle is Thumbtack. With the Thumbtack app, you can get paid money to complete local jobs, like taking pictures for someone, painting a house, or even getting a haircut, like doing a haircut. If you have any type of skill that you can help people locally, you can sign up the Thumbtack app on your phone and start getting clients. The 10th side hustle is Clarity FM. Now, this next hustle is good if you have some type of skill that you can help people with. There is a website called Clarity FM that you can sign up just using your phone and then advertise what you can help people with. This could include business, video games, relationship advice, or literally anything you know about that you also think that other people would like to know about too. This gives people the opportunity to pay per minute to literally just talk on the phone with you and ask you questions. You can answer them and make money just using your phone, talking to people and answering their questions, like giving them advice. Now, some of these hustles on this list are just to make some extra money on the side, but some of them can actually become your full-time income source, like creating faceless YouTube channels, selling online courses, Etsy, and affiliate marketing. And as you saw in the video, you can do all these with your phone. My favorites are faceless YouTube channels and digital products, by the way. Also, here are the top 10 faceless YouTube channel niches. If you want to start a faceless YouTube channel and need some help with your niche, I suggest to watch this video here. So, I'll see you over there. Bye-bye.